Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to talk with you about practicing. Practicing is one of the most important things you want to do if you want to further develop yourself as a more refined graphic designer. If months go by and you haven't even drawn anything or brainstormed ideas, you won't see progress, and it'll take a really long time to see any sort of development in your craft. So I just really want to stress in this very short video, practice. Even if it's not perfect, practicing is a part of the refinement process. So remember that. Practice, practice, practice. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you know anybody that's also trying to start a graphic design business or their graphic design journey and learn from the ground up, recommend this channel to them. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.